So this is how you can fix YouTube quality not working. Go on ahead and open up the app, and then look for the video that is the video that you want to change the quality of. Now usually you would go to the top right and then go to the quality section and then choose the type of quality that you want to watch the video in. For auto or recommended, it adjusts you to give you the best experience for your conditions. For example, if you have slower Wi-Fi, it's going to give you lower qualities. But if you have higher Wi-Fi, of course, it's going to give you higher quality. If you want to tap on this higher picture quality, you can do that. Or if you want to go on ahead and tap on data saver, which lowers it automatically. For example, you're on data and you want to have lower quality so that it saves your data, you can tap on that. Or you can tap on advanced to choose your specific quality. For example, you want high quality or 4K, but do remember that 4K only works when the videos are uploaded in 4K. If it isn't, then it's only going to reach the highest quality that it's uploaded in. So for example, if it's uploaded in 720, that's the highest you can get. But basically, this is how you can choose a quality for the video. If it doesn't work for some reason, you can go on ahead and maybe exit the app, you could restart it, but most importantly, you're gonna want to update it. So go to the App Store, search for YouTube, and then simply update the app if you haven't already, and it's going to start updating, and it's going to clear any kind of bugs. If you can't update it, you could also try deleting and re-downloading it and then signing back in to see if it works. But basically, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.